Today is finally my birthday. I think this will be the best day ever. Mom and Dad must have planned something really special for me today.
We have so many important things to finish today. It's going to be a very busy day.
Wait, did everybody really forget my birthday today?
Quickly hide everything before Mona sees the birthday decorations.
Maybe everybody forgot because nobody cares about my birthday anymore.
Oh, no! The balloons are escaping everywhere!
You don't look happy today, hmm? Nobody even wished me happy birthday today, not even my family.
When Mona opens this iPad gift tonight, she is going to be completely shocked.
This teddy bear is super cute, Anna. Mona is definitely going to love this. Maybe nobody likes me anymore. Maybe birthdays are not important to them. Mom? Dad? Why is the whole house so quiet?
A surprise!
Happy birthday, Mona! You really remembered my birthday. I thought everyone forgot about me.
We worked all day to make this birthday the most special one ever for you.
Close your eyes carefully and make the biggest birthday wish ever.
Now it's finally time for your big birthday surprise gift.
Oh, wow! This box is huge! What could possibly be inside this? An iPad! This is the coolest birthday gift ever! My teddy bear gift is still the best gift in the whole party!
We wanted this surprise to make you feel extra special and extra loved today.
I really thought nobody loved me anymore, but I was completely wrong.
We would never forget your birthday because you mean everything to us.
This iPad is amazing! I can't believe you bought this for me! This is seriously the best birthday party I've ever had in my whole life! This day started so sad, but now it feels completely magical and perfect. I'm only taking one tiny little bite. Nobody will ever notice.
Seeing her smile and laugh tonight made every little part of our planning worth it.
This birthday party was super fun. This day started with sadness in my heart, but ended with happiness and love.
Good night, birthday girl, and always remember that we love you more than anything.
I never imagined my birthday would become this beautiful and magical today.
Sometimes the biggest surprises come from the people who love us the
Family
most.
surprises are the best memories ever. Subscribe to Mona Daily English and join us for more fun stories and adventures.